Hello learners. Today's discussion is on Unit 1 Motorcycle Servicing presented by myself Professor N. Venkateshwarlu, Mechanical Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology, IGNOU, New Delhi. Learners, actually today we are going to discuss about the what is servicing, how servicing is done, what are the importance of a servicing, all those things we have to learn here. So first of all, introduction. Automobile service and maintenance is a very important function in the automobile industry for achieving highest level of customer satisfaction. Earlier, it was confined to making checks during vehicle manufacturing only or when customer had problems with the vehicles. So, what happened? The learners, one you are in the this course you have registered and you have to learn about the servicing system and servicing of motorcycle or servicing of a scooty or 100cc motorcycle or 125cc motorcycle. In that there are various parts are there and engine, carburetor and you can say that the fuel injection system and braking system. There are so many that you have learned in the past two blocks. This is the third block. In third block we are going to learn about the servicing and maintenance. In the servicing, this first unit we will be able to learn about the servicing, how the servicing done, what is service and why the service is important. So all these things we have to learn, we are going to learn in this video lecture. So learners, please listen. First you read the unit we have provided through online. So the material, that unit means that materials we have sent to you, that materials you have to read first before listening to the video, or first you listen the video and read the units so that you can able to understand better. So here the automobile industry is there are various automobiles manufacturers are there: Hero Moto, Yamaha, TVS and Honda. There are various industries in India. We manufacture various motorcycle with the variation in 100cc as well as 125cc and more also 350cc nowadays, that what you can say Enfield Bullet, it is coming with various variants and different motorcycle companies are bringing various models. So first of all you have to understand what is servicing, why the servicing is required. So once the manufacturer manufactures the motorcycle and then the customer purchases the motorcycle, and when he is running, the motorcycle is running for a continuously for a particular time or something. So like 3 months or 4 months. So every 3 months or 6 months they have to go for the service. Why the service means? So once continuously running, there may be wearing of a parts and the friction takes place between. So because of oil becomes thicker, the engine oil becomes thicker, then or different. So what we have to do? So to avoid that friction, to avoid that wear outing of parts, the servicing is very much essential. So the automobile service and maintenance is a very important function in the automobile industry for achieving high level of customer satisfaction. Here what we are saying, customer satisfaction is very important. So once for a manufacturers like Hero Moto or Honda or you can say TVS or Yamaha, whoever is manufacturing the motorcycles, so that for them it is the customer satisfaction is very much important. So what the customer should be informed about the service and its importance to the customers. So to optimum running of a motorcycle, the servicing is the frequent servicing or timely servicing is very important to make the motorcycle running with a optimum levels of a specific requirement or fuel consumption or wearing of parts, and to reduce the wear out parts and to make the motorcycle available all the time without having any troubles. So that is the requirement of a servicing. So earlier it was conformed to making checks during the vehicle manufacturing only. So or when the motorcycle gets the problem, then he has to come to the servicing center and he will tell, so my motorcycle has stopped because of why it has stopped, that he don't know, because the owner may not be knowing about the reason for why it was failed. So instead of that, the continuous service or timely servicing, by doing timely servicing, we can avoid the troubles, or we can run the vehicle in a trouble-free way. So that is the importance of a servicing. Today, it is necessary to make the customer aware of the need of regular service and maintenance of the vehicle so as to enjoy its use. Automobile being one of the fastest growing industries in India, there is going to be a great demand for competent service workforce in times to come. So what it says, so even in Guyana also you can see that nowadays the motorcycle is a mode of transport in Guyana. So here in India we have various modes of transportation. So if the learners, you listen and read the lessons and practice at the workstation or visit the servicing center and take the help of the servicing people who are there, and we also provide the videos on practical sessions also. So that's so that you can able to understand better, and you visit the service center where you can during the holidays or Saturday or Sunday or for whenever you get the holiday, please visit the servicing center and spend some time at the servicing center so that you can understand what is servicing. So it is very much important for the maintenance of the vehicle or running the vehicle continuously without having any problems or trouble-free performance of a vehicle. So by doing servicing, one can the motorcycle will give the highest performance, optimum utilization of the vehicle, or highest performance and fuel efficiency, fuel mileage will be increased or will be maintained as per the specifications. If you don't service, the fuel consumption may be increased, and because of that your budget will be increased, and it will become a costly for you to run the vehicle, the owner to run the vehicle. So to avoid, so if the vehicle takes more fuel consumption, the customer will feel bad and he will he will not happy. So that's why, to make the customer satisfied and maybe delighted, to delight the customers, so the service people, servicing workmen, they have to know the servicing schedules and they have to inform the customer so that the customer will come and give their vehicle for servicing in time. So that is the importance of a servicing. Learners, in this unit you will study about service tips. Servicing includes lubrication, adjustments, torquing nuts and bolts, replacing the engine oil or topping of the battery electrolyte, etc. So that all parts of the motorcycle work according to the manufacturer's specifications and ensure trouble-free operations of the vehicle for a longer duration. So what is the how the customer will be satisfied? So means that it should work for the longer duration, and it will give the fuel efficiency, it will give the more mileage by doing the customer satisfied by doing the service of the vehicles in a timely manner or in a scheduled manner. So what the service we are going to do in the servicing? The servicing includes lubrication, adjustments, torquing nuts and bolts, replacing engine oil, So why the engine oil has to be replaced? Because it becomes thicker while using by the engine will become heat. So because of that, the engine oil must be replaced for every service. Then topping up the battery electrolyte. So battery electrolyte also one has to check the level of the battery electrolyte. If it is not up to the level, so it has to be topped up. It has to be filled up. So that all the parts of the motorcycle work according to the manufacturer specifications and ensure trouble-free operation of the vehicle for a longer duration. So this is the importance of the servicing. Yeah. So then objectives. After studying this unit, you should be able to appreciate the importance of regular servicing and maintenance of a motorcycle. Also recommended the same to the customers. So once you know the importance of the servicing, then the same will be communicated to your customers. That is the one objective. Then accomplish the mandatory checks that are to be carried out during the first 6 services of a motorcycle, and explain various steps and procedures to be followed for ensuring a quality service of motorcycle. So these are the various objectives we are going to learn in this lesson. Servicing and maintenance, the basic concept. Proper care and maintenance are essential for trouble-free operation and optimum performance of the motorcycle. So a quality service at regular intervals ensures that excess wear and tear is not taking place and the motorcycle can run without any complaints for a long time. So the maintenance, if the learners, the maintenance is properly done for a vehicle in a scheduled manner so that the vehicle can run without any troubles and it can run for the optimum performance and it may give more fuel mileage, or also you can say that the fuel efficiency has been increased. So that is the importance of the regular service and properly checking each and every part and the steps you have to know in the servicing. The learners, you should understand each and every step by step, so that you can able to do the service properly, so that the proper servicing will be done and the proper maintenance will be done, so that the vehicle, the motorcycle will run for the optimum and its performance will be increased. After the motorcycle is produced in the factory, it goes through the initial phase, which is known as bedding in period, or during bedding in period, the tolerance pertaining to the motorcycle change which requires adjustments. Hence, the first service is very critical. Thereafter, a regular maintenance schedule should be strictly followed to enhance the performance of the motorcycle. Servicing may include lubrication, adjustments, torquing nuts and bolts, replacing the engine oil or topping up the battery electrolyte, etc., so that all the parts of the motorcycle work according to the manufacturer's specifications. So by doing servicing, so it has to perform according to the manufacturing specifications. What are those manufacturing specifications? So before servicing, it has to perform for I think 3000 kilometers, or you can say that the 500 kilometers or like that. So every 500 kilometers first service one has to do, or so that is the specification. And in that, another thing is it has to give the performance also, optimum performance, and one has to, the motorcycle has to give the fuel efficiency as per the manufacturer's specifications. If it is not so, then the customer will report to the company about the performance. So then only the service people has to take the corrective measures or make the maintenance properly to get the manufacturer specification, to you can say that to the performance to improve the performance of the motorcycle. So that is the importance, and the servicing is very much important, and it has to be communicated. The learners, you should understand the importance of the servicing, regular servicing, timely servicing, so that you can communicate it to the customers. The whoever coming for the servicing, you have to regularly communicate them, your vehicle is due for the servicing, so you come and take the servicing, so that your vehicle performance will be increased. If these services or maintenance are not done as per the manufacturer's guidelines, it can severely impair the performance of the motorcycle. So that is the, as per the what it says, so as per the requirements, as per the specifications of the manufacturer's guidelines, if you don't do the servicing, if the owner is not coming for the servicing in time, so that it may not give the performance properly. It may damage the parts because of wear and tear, or because of oil might have reduced in the engine, so that the friction takes place and the wear and tear out takes place. Because of that, again it will give loss to the it gives the loss to the owner or the purchaser of the motorcycle. So that is the importance. One has to give importance to the servicing. In some cases, it can lead to premature wear of engine components or of the frame parts, incurring a heavy expenditure to the customer. Means failure of some functions like brakes can even cause accident. Hence, it is essential to take care of motorcycle by going through periodic service and maintenance tips. So here what it is saying, so if the owner or if the vehicle purchaser, if he has not come for the servicing, or the servicing people are not done the proper servicing, so what happens, the vehicle may fail at a particular time, or the vehicle failure will occur and it will damage to the engine or various parts. And sometimes it may lead, if the braking system is not perfect, if the braking failure occurs, and the accident may occur. So that's why the learners, you have to communicate to the customers about the servicing schedules, so that they have to come for the service, so that all the parts will be repaired or serviced, and then the motorcycle will perform according to the manufacturer specifications, and to avoid the accidents, or to avoid the what you can say, avoid the repairs, major repairs. So that is the importance of a servicing of a motorcycle. Mandatory checks during the first 6 services. The various steps in servicing of motorcycle are given below. The tape, it is already given in the text, so you can read there also. Here I am just explaining some of the parts here. Learners, in the first service, we have to do the following steps for first service. Wash the vehicle, blow dry with air pressure. Second, clean fuel strainer. Third, inspect throttle operation, lubricate if necessary, clean air filter element, inspect spark plug gap, adjust valve clearance, replace engine oil, check battery specific gravity and level of the electrolyte, and if necessary, top up the distilled water. Clean engine oil filter screen and rotor filter, adjust brakes, inspect for shoe wear or disc pad wear, and then check brake light switch function, inspect headlight focus and adjust if necessary, inspect, clean, lubricate and adjust drive chain, inspect nut, bolts and fasteners, inspect suspension, inspect clutch and adjust if necessary, inspect wheel spokes and set right if necessary, inspect for proper rotation, polish vehicle and deliver, inspect self-starter operation, applicable in case of 125cc motorcycle. So these are the various steps in the servicing for the first service. So in the same steps we have to do not the same, a little bit different. So for each service, first service just now I explained, then the second service, third service, fourth service and fifth service, sixth service. So there are various steps are given in the text. So please read those texts for the each service so that you can able to do the 6 services. Then the learners, the following extra mandatory checks are required during the 5th service of a 125cc motorcycle. So inspect engine oil and top up as required. So means first of all inspect the engine oil. So is it thickness is correct or level is correct or not, so that you can top up accordingly, or there is no need to remove all the engine oil. So you can top up the engine oil. Then lubricate brake height switch. So the brake light switches has to be lubricated. So regularly. Then inspect self starter operation. So this is one of the important servicing for the 125cc motorcycle. The following extra mandatory checks are required during the 6th service of a 125cc motorcycle. Inspect brake light switch, inspect self-starter operation and engine oil change. So after 6th service, you have to change the engine oil completely. You have to remove the old engine oil and you have to replace the new engine oil. The maintenance schedules of 100cc and 125cc motorcycle to be carried out on for the regular service and maintenance of the motorcycle under normal riding conditions are given in table 1.1 of the unit 1. In case a motorcycle has to run in dusty condition, it needs to be serviced more frequently. So the schedules are given, but some in the villages there won't be particular roads, so there may be rust is more, it's not rust, dust is more. So where it is running, so it has to be done more frequently, the service has to be done more frequently. So that is the servicing people has to know about this, where it runs. If it is running in the cities, there won't be any problem. So regular maintenance has to be done. So if it is dusty area, if it is working in the motorcycle is running in a dusty area, so it needs frequent service or depends upon the suggestions of the service engineers. Summary. In this unit, we have studied about various service tips for motorcycle servicing. These steps will ensure proper servicing of motorcycle, and as a result, customers will trust the technicians. This will help in increasing the business of a certified motorcycle technicians. In the next unit, you will learn about important complaints and maintenance tips for the motorcycle. So the learners, I hope you understand about what is the service, why the service is required, who has to inform to the customers, if the service is not done, what the damage to occur for the vehicle as well as the owners, how the budget will be increased for the owners. All these things we have learned in this unit. So with this, I am stopping here our lecture. Learners, please listen the videos as well as read the units so that you can able to understand better and you can perform very well and in your examinations also. Thank you.